Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you're enjoying these Roam research insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we'll be discussing Southern Phone, found online at southernphone.com.au. This Australian telecommunications company offers a variety of services, catering to both individual and business needs. Their website highlights a comprehensive range of options, from mobile plans and internet packages to landline services and even entertainment bundles. Navigating their site, you can explore their various offerings, comparing features and pricing to find the best fit for your specific requirements. Southern Phone emphasizes its commitment to providing reliable and affordable telecommunications solutions. They appear to focus on delivering quality customer service, aiming to create a positive experience for their users. Whether you're seeking a simple mobile plan or a complete home entertainment and communication package, Southern Phone presents itself as a viable option within the Australian telecom market. They showcase a variety of plan options, allowing customers to select the data allowance, call minutes, and other features that align with their usage patterns and budget. Further exploration of their website reveals information about their network coverage, customer support channels, and online account management tools. For those interested in learning more about Southern Phone, visiting southernphone.com.au provides a detailed overview of their services and offers a platform to compare different plans and packages. They also appear to offer online sign-up options for added convenience. It's worth noting that while this overview highlights some key aspects of Southern Phone based on their website, further research and comparison with other providers are always recommended before making any decisions. Consider your individual needs and preferences when evaluating telecom providers. Be sure to check out their FAQ section and terms and conditions for a complete understanding of their services and policies.